Okay, hey vlog. I am currently heading to the gym. It is 12:19. I slept in really late and it's 52 degrees outside, which is very cold for Florida. It's actually supposed to snow tomorrow, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym. I'll try to film a little bit of it. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get, but I'll try to include a little bit in my vlog. And yeah, I'll take you guys around with me today. So cold, but I'm walking in to go get the mail because I figured I should do a little cool down, and I wish it was a little nicer outside, but it's okay. Go get the mail and yeah. Hi honey. Oh hi. Hello, did you miss me? Come here. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh. Okay, so I just got back from the gym. I think I'm gonna hop in the shower really quick, maybe put on a little bit of makeup, get ready for the day, and I think I might be going over to my mom's because she has my niece today. So I'll go see my niece. Probably go to the grocery store. Our fridge and our pantry's kind of empty right now, so go get some stuff and probably make dinner, and yeah. So I'll take you guys along with me. All right, I'm out of the shower. I look insane because I have a face mask on that is half dry. The like darker parts aren't dry yet. It's a clay mask, so I look crazy. But yeah, I took a shower, put on a mask. I'm gonna let this dry down and leave it on for like 10 minutes. And I'm gonna unpack, do some laundry, do some dishes, all that boring stuff. Okay, hey guys. So I was gonna film when I went over to my mom's and I went to the grocery store and I brought my camera, but I had left my SD card in my laptop, so I was not able to film while I was there. But I thought I'd do like a little mini grocery haul of what I got at the grocery store just to show you guys, since I wasn't able to bring you to the grocery store with me. So, wow, great. Here are some eggs that are flipped upside down. Go me. They're not cracked though, so that's good. So got some eggs, got some whole wheat bread and some whole wheat sandwich thins, bananas, avocados, kiwis, some lunch meat, turkey breast, some orange juice for Tyler. I hate orange juice, so it's definitely not for me. An orange, some lemons, a mango. I love mangoes, but they're not in season right now, so they're really expensive. So I just got one. 2 bags of romaine. Some organic baby spinach for smoothies and salads. I got some grapes and some cherries. Some carrot sticks. Organic celery. Organic grape tomatoes. Apples. Almond milk. I get the unsweetened vanilla because it's sweet enough. You don't really need the sweetened. I got some chunk white chicken breast because I use this for like salads and stuff. And some reduced sodium kidney beans for chili. And some tomato sauce for chili too. Some organic, just regular instant oatmeal. Chili powder. Smoked salmon, again for like salads and stuff. And then some frozen coho salmon and some ground turkey for chili. So yeah, that was what I got at the grocery store. While we're at it, I thought I might do a quick fridge tour because I always love watching people's fridge tours. So I just have mostly the groceries I just bought because we didn't have much. We have some sodas and some LaCroix that we got for Christmas. Those are groceries I just got. We have some Seagram's Escapes, some beer back there. This is some turkey bacon that I'm thawing. And then I just put like all the veggies in there and all the fruits in there. Meat and cheese. Eggs, butter, veggie dip, applesauce, flour. I keep flour in the fridge because I don't know, I'm just weird. Barbecue sauce, some spaghetti sauce, you know, all your condiments, soy sauce. And then of course some wine and some LaCroix, which I love. I don't really know how to say it. LaCroix. I don't know, but I drink like all the time. I drink those. I love them. Freezer is not very healthy. Some chocolate chip Eggos. Some cauliflower tater tots. Shrimp. Chicken nuggets. This is like, ooh. Frozen fruit and veggies for smoothies. Sweet potato fries, salmon, pizza rolls, the best ice cream in the world, Christmas cookies ice cream, some Texas toast, some frozen bananas for banana bread, ice cream sandwiches, ice cream and ice cream. Then we got our little fruit bowl right there. And then this is our pantry. Some Pringles, some popcorn, some caramel popcorn, Cheez-Its, pistachios, not the healthiest stuff. Basic stuff. Chicken broth, rice, pancake mix, green beans. And this is our crazy overload from Christmas, like our stockings and stuff. We got so much candy, so yeah, that's an off-limit section for me right now. And some cereal back there. And some plantain chips. And peanut butter, which Tyler doesn't know is there because he hates peanut butter, and I hid it there because I love it. So yeah, that's our fridge slash pantry tour. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make some dinner. I think I'm gonna make breakfast for dinner just because it's easy and we already have the stuff to make it. I'll probably do pancakes, eggs, turkey bacon, and maybe some toast or something like that. So yeah. Here's the final product. Tyler already ate his because he's mean. So yeah.
My camera's bigger than yours.
Cool.
Is the camera shut on?
Yeah, I can see myself. Okay.
What are you having us watch?
Fuller House.
Why?
Because I love it.
It's so cheesy.
I know.
Does it make you like it even more? Noodles, I got you. Noodles!
Yes, we have a dolly track in the middle of our...
Wait, let's flip it. Put the camera on the dolly. Wait, you gotta get back to where I was. And here's Maddie drinking her smoothie on an epic dolly track. I'm gonna fall off. Okay.
I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys, oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you next time. Bye.